So the question is this: if you can solve this right now, which means if you can type and understand these words and put it in this box, you can earn $50 an hour doing this every day, all day, from the comfort of your bed. Hey, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin here, and I'm an internet entrepreneur here. I make tons of money online, and I do free videos like this to help the average person on the planet to leave their 9-to-5 job so they can understand what living the dream really is, okay? And look, this is me, Wesley $1 Million Virgin here, 1.1 million followers. Thank God for that. But if you look at my profile here, the only thing I do, my purpose is to help you, okay, learn and discover strategies to make money on the computer. In this video here, I'm going to show you a website that will pay you up to $50 an hour to basically solve CAPTCHAs like this. Now, you may remember this, right? This is basically when you're getting ready to log into a website, they put a CAPTCHA here. The reason why they do that, they want to make sure that you are a actual person, but they have a company online. And listen close, I must warn you, you need an invite to be a part of the site. Luckily, since you know me, you're watching this video now to the very end. I am going to help you out and make sure that you get in today, okay? Again, everybody can't do this because it's so simple to do this. Like, it's very transparent here what this is, but if you type this in, it's a site that will pay you continuously. Now listen, I always want to give value. I'm going to teach you right now how to make money basically typing CAPTCHAs on the internet. But listen, all I ask for you to do is this: to keep the videos going, sub and like this video. Smash it right now. All it does is this: I'm not asking for your money. You don't have to invest in me. You don't have to give me anything. All I'm asking for is a like and a sub on the channel here that will encourage me to keep working for you. Let's go. Here's the site here. Megatypers.com. I'm sorry. Megatypers.com. It's an easy job. It's easy money. And basically, it's great for mothers that stay at home. It's good for parents that need a second job, and students and people in between jobs, especially because of the coronavirus here. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I love you so much. Right now, I'm going to pause and I'm going to like this video and I'm going to comment below. I love you, Wes, because you're giving so much massive value to me. And listen, hey, you're welcome. It's all about you. I love you. All right. So back to the money here. So basically, this is what these people do here. Okay. The average person, they make about $200. It may be more now per month, but that's what's happening right now. But listen, if you're properly motivated, you can make more money than that. And listen, you can go to the website right now and you can actually register right now, okay? And all you need is a PayPal account, a Western Union, Perfect Money, PayPal Web Money, bank checks, debit cards. They will pay you every 2 weeks once you do this, okay? And listen, you can type up to 10 words per minute. Like if you can type 10 words per minute, it's right here on the website here. If you can type at least 10 words per minute, you can make money, okay? So you don't have to be a smart, fast typer here, all right? So hit the sign up button and you want to register right here, okay? Now listen, now this is very important, so listen close now, okay? To make the money, you have to make sure that your email is a Gmail or a Yahoo account. Now the thing is, I always test these sites before I give them to you, and I am a part of a very private, exclusive group. And the reason why is because when you do things like this, let me show you something off topic here. When you do things like this, like on this platform right now, which is called Digital Store 24, and if you go to the marketplace, right now, my product right now is #1 in the world. When you keep doing it repeatedly, making millions of dollars, and a lot of people know me online, right? People start to talk to you and they put you a part of these private groups, and these people make more money than me. Like I only make $1 million a month. And even though that sounds like a lot, but you have a lot of people that they do well more than that, right? And they're younger than me. So they put me in the group here, and now I get access to all this stuff, and I asked them, I said, do you mind if I create a YouTube channel and basically just expose all the things that you guys are doing and just give it to the masses? Because I believe everybody has an opportunity to do well if they just knew what to do, okay? So for that, if you want me to keep doing that, hit the like, smash the share button, and that would encourage me, and that'll make them feel good, because these people, they're not on camera like me. Like me, I'm the crazy guy that's on camera. Let's go! Right? Because I'm here to help the masses understand that the 9-to-5 job is bullshit, okay? You don't have to work for somebody for the rest of your life, especially in your 20s, 30s, and 40s. You can actually be in your bed, have a nice view here, and you can make a ton of money if you pay attention and actually do it, right? You got to take action. So remember, you have to use a Gmail account here or a Yahoo account. Other accounts won't work, okay? It just won't work. Password here, your name, and then it comes to the payment type. Remember, they're going to pay you out every week or every 2 weeks. They have PayPal, Western Union, and yes, I know what you guys are thinking. It does work worldwide. You can be everywhere. You can be in Timbuktu, Africa, Europe, Spain, California, New York, India, Philippines. It doesn't matter. You can be in your mama's basement, and you can do this, okay? And they will pay you out even in Litecoin, Bitcoin, whatever. Okay, so it's many options of payment, but this is the sticker here. Okay, this is the caveat, is that you need an invitation code. Okay, let me blow it up. You need an invitation code because these people, they pay very well. And you know, since you're watching this video here, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna make you work for this. If I get 50 shares on this video right now while I'm recording the video, some of you on YouTube right now, so as long as you like the video and I have 50 shares, I'm gonna give you my personal invitation code, and you can create an account today. So all you have to do, I believe teamwork makes the dream work. If everybody works together and do this now, then everybody can make money, right? Everybody. So if you want my invitation code, because they don't invite everybody to this platform, they only want people that know other people, that know people who are legit, that are willing to work and willing to do what's necessary to create the income here, okay? But if you look here, I'm already in their account here. This is my account, Megatypers here. And once you get here, you just click the word start working here. And now listen, make sure you read everything, okay? When you click on Typer Solver, because that's what you're doing, you're solving CAPTCHAS. That's all what you're doing here. And once you do that, make sure you read this. Make sure you download the proper software here. And then you just start earning. If you look here in the statistics, there are people every day that are earning money around the planet. Can everybody see this? Okay. If you already shared it, just say, I shared it. And then once I see 50 shares, I will go ahead and put the invitation link. It's my private link. So guys, please don't make me look bad. You know, these people shared this with me. I'm sharing it with you, right? Because I want you to win. I want you to make it. And listen, disclaimer, this is not going to make you $1 million. Okay. It's about $200 to $1,000 a month. It depends how motivated you are. But if you keep watching, I'm going to show you a place where you can go to get somebody else to do the work for you, so you can eat popcorn and chips and eat pizza and do nothing all day. Okay. All right. Is that cool? Now, it's really that simple, basically. You know, people ask me every day, Wesley, these are powerful, right? I didn't realize that people are making that much money online. And trust me, it was a time that I didn't have a beautiful bed here. I was sleeping on the floor on the air mattress. On that, not this floor. Don't look at those dirty socks, guys. But I was sleeping on the floor on the air mattress until I made a decision one day. And it clicked. And I realized the reason why I wasn't making money is because I never believed. And that's what I do with people. In the description below, if you need any help from me, I will show you step by step on how to create any digital product. Now listen, you have to be willing to work, okay? And you got to be willing to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself that it's possible, and if you're not willing to work, then it's not for you. Please don't go to my description right now and don't click on that link to get involved with me today. Okay? It just, you have to believe that this is possible. Because if you don't, then people like me, I'm going to keep spending money on Versace robes here. I'm going to keep spending money on $8,000 beds for no reason here. I'm gonna keep spending money on baby oil for no reason. Why? Because I'm making a ton of money, and sometimes I don't know how to spend the money. I don't know what to do with the money because I have so much of it, right? I mean, let me show you something here before I get back on topic. Like, I got a lot of, like, this is fun, right? You know, I just have fun with my life. Look, this is me putting my legs on the window of my Miami Beach property. This is me and my Lamborghini here, and this is me and my other Lamborghini here. I mean, what I'm saying, listen, I'm not trying to impress you. I want to impress upon you that this is very possible. With a little work, with a little focus, you can do this too, okay? Now, remember, if you share the video, if I gave you any value, hit the like button right now. And as promised, let me show you where you can go to get somebody else to log into the site and do all these CAPTCHAs like this for you for like $5, okay? And I'm sure if you ever saw a Wesley Virgin video, you already know the website. It's this one. You go here, you type in Fiverr.com, okay? You type in virtual work here, okay? Then once you do that, you see this guy with the cool mustache. Well, you hired this guy, cool mustache guy. Hey, I need to hire you to basically, for $5 to log into this website here. And all I want you to do is do these CAPTCHAs. And I don't want you to leave this website. Listen, I don't want you to leave this website until I earn $100 today. Can I get a like for that? Go ahead and smash the like button. That's all you have to do. This is some of the most experienced marketers on the planet, which you will never know, because they're not on camera like me. They're not willing. You know, it's so funny. They just believe that average and poor and the people that are lethargic and lazy, that never do anything, they think you're always going to be like that. And so they'll put you in a box. They just think you're never going to do it, so they don't spend time trying to help you. But I believe in people. Maybe I'm the crazy black kid from Houston, Texas, but I truly believe in people that if you give them a way to do it in a very simplistic, elementary way, that they would take action and do it now. Listen, you can go to Fiverr.com today. I'm going to give you the code as long as everybody in here share this. If I see 50 shares, I'm going to give you the invitation code so you can create your Megatypers account right now. Then you go here. You find the guy with the the cool looking mustache here. Or maybe this guy with a nice beard. I wish I can grow a beard like that, but for some reason, I'm stuck with the baby face. Okay, but listen, you just hire that guy, $5, right? And you can even do a deal with him, right? This is what I would do. I'll say, depending on how much work you do, I'll pay you 5 or 10% of all earnings every single day. So you just pay that guy to work and you give him a percentage. Now, why is that important? Because he can't get paid with PayPal, or probably he doesn't feel that he have the opportunity to do things like this. So you just do it for him and you pay him. Does that make sense? If you love me, comment below, Wesley, I love you. I love you as well. I love you. And I would keep doing videos like this over and over again. But listen, I can do videos like this from my YouTube channel. I can do this. I have a lot of, like, in this group, they have about 100,000 ways that people are making money. And I just pick the best ones that are easiest, so people will make some money, so they'll believe the internet money is real. And I remember when I made my first $7, and I must have cried. I swear to God, like, I cried because I know how it feels to work for 6 years and not make $1 online. And when I finally made that $7, I knew it was possible. This is the reason why I do these videos, and this is the reason why you like these videos, is because I'm showing you what's possible. I'm no better than you. I'm not smarter than you. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter how old you are. You can do this. Stop making excuses about what you can't do. My channel used to be 0 subscribers, but just what I'm doing right now, I'm creating videos every day based off your likes and shares, because that's letting me know that you're getting value, you're taking action. I'm getting emails every day of videos that I'm creating that are free to make money, and say, Wesley, I just made my first $10. Thank you. Wesley, I just made my first sale. Thank you. From the free content. This is what I want you to understand, that you have to give value to people, and you have to keep doing it because they will reciprocate. But listen, if you were like me, okay? Listen, if you were like me, to help you, I'll leave a link under the video. It's called wesleyvirgin.com online help. And in that link there, what you're going to see is basically how to create a digital product from scratch. I'm going to show you what I did in 45 days to make $1 million in 1 month, period. Okay? This is probably the most simplest, easiest way to do it. If you don't believe me, try other people's systems first, and then you might find your way back here, because I just know how to explain it in a way that everybody gets it. Even a dog can get it. Even a cat can get it. Anybody can get it, right? So I'll leave a link in the bio. Click that if you want to link up with me, invest some time with me, and I can show you step by step how to do it. Other than that, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin, and I'm going to be looking at the shares. If you shared this, comment the word share it, and after the video, I'll make sure in the description below to put the code link. I love you so much. Go get paid. Just writing CAPTCHAS. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.